Let's have a look at the tutorial. To see the tutorial subjects, we click the right arrow. Use any of the 7 sections plus the index for reference. Now let's view a thumbnail description of the index button. We place the mouse pointer on it and see the description in the bottom box. To view the tutorial index, click and see the Using OS2 Index window. We choose Cancel and return to the tutorial. Now to close the tutorial, we select the Quit button. And we see the OS2 desktop. On the left side, we see OS2 and information icons. We see icons on the rest of the desktop also. In OS2 Warp, icons represent objects. Objects can represent a data file, device, application, or a folder containing other objects. OS2 Warp refers to directories as folders. A folder can contain subdirectories or more folders. At the bottom of the desktop, we see the Launchpad. It holds frequently used objects. We'll discuss the Launchpad in a moment. Now let's open the Win OS2 Groups folder. We place the pointer on the folder. We double-click and see the Win OS2 Groups window. We see other folders in this window. We installed OS2 Warp over Windows 3.1, and we see several default Windows groups. When we open the Accessories folder by double-clicking it, we see the group Window Programs. Let's close the Accessories group window. We place the pointer on its title bar icon. It's in the upper left corner. Then, we double-click and see the Win OS2 Groups window. Every OS2 object, window, and desktop has a pop-up menu. With a pop-up menu, we can manipulate the specific object. Let's view the Win OS2 pop-up menu. We place the pointer on the title bar icon. It's in the left corner of the title bar. We click mouse button 1 and see the pop-up menu. You can open a window pop-up menu with mouse button 1 or 2. We can view the contents of any OS2 window 3 different ways. Let's change the Win OS2 Groups window view. First, we place the pointer on the right arrow next to Open. Then, we click and see a cascaded menu. At this time, we see a check mark next to the icon View. We select Tree View and see another window with our tree view. To see the Details view, we again display the pop-up menu. Then we display the cascaded menu. Then select Details View. In this view, we see the title, object class, the real name of the program, its size, and last write date. When we click the right arrow on the horizontal scroll bar, OS2 Warp displays the last write time, last access date, last access time, creation date, creation time, and flags. To move the right window to its beginning column, we can drag the mouse on the scroll bar button.
Some OS2 actions or commands use dragging. To drag a mouse, simply place the pointer on the specific object. Then press and hold mouse button 1 as you move the mouse in a chosen direction.
We place the pointer on the scroll bar button. We drag the mouse to the left. When we see the real name column, We release the mouse. Now let's close our windows. We place the pointer on the Details View title bar icon. We double-click, and OS2 Warp closes the window. We close the Tree View window in the same manner.
You may pause the tape now to practice on your computer.